Okay, first we have to apply the weight. So this is a weight of 4.9 newtons. So I just put it on. First I have to release this, then I put in the weight. So 4.9. So it will stop at 4.9 at the point there. So if let's say I want to switch it to 9.8, then I will just put on another one weight, different weights. Okay, 9.8. Okay, so if let's say I want to go to maximum 14.7, I just need to add on this weight and combine these two weights. So it will become 14.7. Okay, assuming that I'm using a 4.9 weights to do my testing, so I have to prepare the samples, which cut accordingly to the width control and the length control, which means 15 and 150 mm. Okay, and then the third, we have to select the thickness. Okay, it comes with 4 kinds of different thickness of clamp. That means as you can see over here, there is a 0.38 to 0.75, 0.38 to 2.5 mm, 0.38 to 1 mm, and which I already installed here is 0.38 to 0.5 mm. So you can pick the nearest to the thickness of your samples according to the standard that you want to test, of course. So how we fix it up? So we just put and clockwise to lock, then slot it in. Just slot in, then we lock it. So make sure it's stuck on the safe position. Okay, now come to the main operation screens. So first we can select which language. We select English. Okay, now we have to key in the tensile strength. That means the weight that we apply to test our sample. So we set it to 4.9 newtons. Okay, sample direction you can select horizontal or longitudes. Okay, so depending on your cutting samples directions. Okay, test modes, we switch to count. Okay, now we switch to count. So that means now we have to set up our testing counting limits. So if let's say example I set it to 1000, and I will just press enter. Okay, so once everything done, we clear first. Then we come to do the operations by just pressing the test button. So it just goes like this until you reach 1000, then it will stop. Okay, after we finish the test, we can come to result. So this is the result. Then we can just press print button to print out the result. Okay, so it will show you the result over here.